Advantages of roadways. The first advantage is they are very flexible. You compare it to railways, you compare it to waterways, you compare it to airways. We cannot have these facilities everywhere, but roads can be constructed in any place. Even if the terrain is rough, with a little bit extra money, with a little bit extra labor, we can construct roads. So they link a lot of places because of their flexibility, and because of their flexibility, they provide door-to-door service. This is very important. Now, none of the other means of transport provide this. So whenever you're writing the points of importance or advantages, try to focus on the most important. There may be many points, right? Second point will be, again compared to others, construction is cheap. Compared to, always in comparison, compared to the others, construction is cheap. Clear? Third thing, it is a comfortable means of transport. Many people cannot tolerate waterways. Many people cannot move through airways also, health reasons, other problems, cost problems. Clear? Railways become very congested. Sometimes there is a problem of not getting tickets or reservations. So from those points of view, roadways are comfortable. Easily accessible. Here you can mention the word easily available for the public. For the public. And one more point. Roads, they supplement other means of transportation. Now, how do you understand this point? We construct a railway station at some place. That station, if it is not linked by roadways, people can't reach the station. The school is situated, Bishop Westcott Boys School is situated at Namkom. Now Namkom station was constructed at a time when the roads were very narrow, very thin, and most of the people couldn't move on it. Clear? So proper road had to be built to link it to that station. So likewise, roads link railway stations, they link ports and harbors, and they link airports also. That is how they supplement the other means of transport. So you have got the importance of roadways. Clear? Under roadways, there are three important names which you should be knowing about. You should know about the North-South corridor, the East-West corridor, and the Golden Quadrilateral. North-South corridor links Kanyakumari, the southernmost tip of India, Kanyakumari to Srinagar. This is in the extreme north. In other words, this is the longest road north to south of India. East-west is width-wise. This links Porbandar in Gujarat to a place named Silchar in Assam. Clear? So these are the two longest roads. And the last one, the Golden Quadrilateral, is something like this. Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai is here, and Chennai is further down. Clear? These important metro cities of India, they are linked by a network of roads which forms a quadrilateral like this. This is called the Golden Quadrilateral. Clear? So all these three names you should be knowing. Their terminus points you should be knowing. Terminus meaning starting and ending point. And the terminus points of the Golden Quadrilateral, all the metro cities, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai and Mumbai. What is the importance? They are uniting the north, south, east, west parts of the country, and they are giving an impetus, a push forward to the trade within the country. From each part of the country, there is transference of commodities, materials, buying and selling goes on. Trucks carry this, and these roads help in that trade purpose. So please remember the importance of this. You will get the points from the textbook in the form of notes from here. Clear? So under roadways, you have got all your most important things. Expressways, number of them have been listed in the book. You have to again learn the name of the expressway. For example, Yamuna Expressway. You have to learn the terminus points. You have to learn, I give you the example of the most important one. That is your Ahmedabad-Vadodara Expressway, which from the two names you know are the terminus cities. It was the first to be constructed. So like that you have to learn the names of the expressways. Disadvantages of roads, must note down just 2-3 points. The biggest disadvantage of roads is regular maintenance is needed because of the wear and tear. Regular maintenance, and this becomes costly. Second disadvantage, these are disadvantages. Second disadvantage is traffic jams have become a common feature and a major problem for the public, both whether it is carrying goods or whether it is carrying people. So these have become modern point of view. These are the major disadvantages of roads. Another thing, construction, for especially for disadvantages, you can mention construction in rough terrain is costly and time consuming. And one more point, you will notice I give you even points, because in geography you usually get 2 marks answers. So try to learn either 2 points or, just to be on the safe side, 4 points in case they carry half marks. So the last point to be mentioned under disadvantages is lot of obstructions are there on the roads. Clear? Okay, we include that in traffic jams like speed breakers and toll booths. This is the place where the people have to stop for paying the taxes, road tax. Clear? So these are obstructions. You want to move at a certain pace, you can't move. You are bound to or forced to stop. And the last point for disadvantage of roads, clear? Air pollution increases. It leads to very great increase in air pollution. Such a lot of vehicles come onto the roads and they're releasing such a lot of poisonous gases through their exhaust, that is, it is increasing the air pollution, right? So roadways I complete in this chapter. Please read through. The roadways are the most detailed study you have to do. Other headings, subtitles, the amount of data to be memorized is slightly less. Clear? So we will be finishing or concluding the remaining topics in the next session. Thank you for today.